I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that centralizes all block controls. Open Settings, then tap Phone to begin. This is faster than searching each app. Once done, scroll to Blocked Contacts and tap it. You'll see the list. If you need Messages or FaceTime blocks, make sure to also check Messages, Blocked Contacts, and FaceTime Blocked Contacts so you don't miss entries in other apps. Now you review the list to find the contact you want to manage. Scroll slowly because duplicates or international numbers can be easy to miss. Use the Edit button to reveal delete icons for individual entries. You can also cross-check by searching contacts for the number or name, since blocked entries are linked to contacts. If a number looks unfamiliar, note its format. Country codes or extra characters can hide duplicate. To complete the task, swipe left on the blocked entry or tap Edit and remove it. That unblocks the contact immediately for calls, messages, and FaceTime. If you want to reblock someone, open their contact card and choose Block this caller. Make sure to test by calling or messaging. If changes don't sync across devices, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the iPhone. That resolves most iCloud blocklist sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.